Hello everyone, my name is Philippe Vancayseele and I'm the Master Chocolatier from the Chocolate Academy in Montreal. Today I will explain you a little bit about a tool that I really love to work with, the dipping fork. Now, there are the existing different shapes of dipping fork. We have a spiral one, that's more like a drop shape, that's more a triangle, and we have even a round one. But the one that I really love to work with is that one. I'm going to show you how to use this dipping fork. I'm going to take a filling here that is prepared to do that. So we just dip or push down the filling into the chocolate, cover with a layer of chocolate, and then with a dipping movement, I remove the excess around the filling. Once that this is done, scrape out the bottom, and you put it carefully down on a piece of paper. Fantastic, huh? So easy with this dipping fork. And I can tell you also this dipping fork you can use for another thing. We can use it for even for decoration. So that's a fork decoration. I really love this tool to work with. It's really the artisanal tool for the artisanal chocolatier. So I hope you enjoyed, and I can tell you, I'm sure you're going to see each other on the Chocolate Academy live. See you then.